This student did really well in her driving test, even though she was very nervous, but she had only 2 minor marks and she passed her test. One was for failing to complete the reversing exercise in one movement. One backward movement. The student was hitting the curb, so she stopped, she moved forward, and then she went back again. When you do reversing exercise, you need to just do it in one backward movement. You cannot stop and go forward and back again. That's 1 minor mark for reversing, and the other one was for indicating too late when doing a U-turn. Make sure you indicate your intention a bit early. You give enough warning to the other cars that what you are about to do. So 2 minor marks and passing the test.